Today we're making sea salt black cocoa biscotti. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. This rich chocolatey biscotti is crispy with flaky sea salt, and I'm sure you're going to love it as much as we do. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Add 113 grams of softened butter, 113 grams of cane sugar, and 57 grams of dark brown sugar to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and there are no butter chunks. Add in 2 large eggs and mix for a few rotations just to break the yolks. Last, add in 212 grams of all-purpose flour, 43 grams of black cocoa powder that's been sifted, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt and ground vanilla bean. Mix on low until a stiff dough forms. Last, add in 198 grams of mini dark chocolate chips and mix again until combined. Transfer the dough to a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Using your hands, form the dough into a large log that's almost the length of the pan. Then flatten it slightly. Bake at 350 degrees for 40 minutes or until the edges look dry and the middle looks set. Remove the biscotti from the oven and let it sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes or until it's cool enough to cut with nice clean cuts. Cut into about 12 pieces and then separate them a little bit on the baking sheet. Bake again for another 20 to 25 minutes or until the biscotti is dry and crispy. Sprinkle the top with flaky sea salt immediately after coming out of the oven. This black cocoa biscotti is perfect with a big glass of milk. If you want more easy cookie recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.